Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2015 GMC Terrain SLE, stock number X628A. 72,000 miles on this local trade. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, Onyx Black in color. The Terrain is a very safe vehicle. It's an Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's Top Safety Pick. Seats 5, cloth interior. Lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Family friendly with hooks in the seats for a latch system to keep child seats completely secure. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera for additional safety. Lots of cargo space in the rear. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This SLE has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, power height adjuster for the driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. With driver information system, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls so you can keep your hands on the wheel. Large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for radio, heating and air conditioning, automatic transmission with manual shift capability, and lots of storage space in the armrest. Spacious glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Terrain has a 2.4 liter, 4-cylinder, 182 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 22 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 32 on the highway, and approximately 30% of the tire tread left. For more information on this Terrain, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.